We are back in Leo and we are back on the road again. How good? Woo! Happy about that, Megs?
Very happy indeed.
And we're about to go to the beach because it is stinking hot today.
There's a heat wave.
Yeah, there's a heat wave in Perth, and that'll affect us because we're only about a couple of hours south of Perth.
Yeah.
Going to head down towards Margaret River in the coming days, and we're going to take you along for the ride with us. It's the second time that we've been to Margaret River. The first time was with my parents, but there was a few spots that we missed along the way that we want to, but we didn't do that we want to do now. Where are you going? We've just come down to the beach and this is just so spectacular. Like it?
Yes.
It's like our private little beach here.
And it's public holidays, it's school holidays.
It's school holidays, it's a Sunday, it's a weekend, and it's pretty secluded, aside from this bloke on a jet ski. Up there is Rainbow Rock. So there's a few more people up in that direction, but it's like we've got our own private beach. How good. Minus the jet ski guy. Bloody jet skis.
I want a jet ski. I want to be him right now on a jet ski.
Yeah, it's good to be him. It's not good to be around him. Jet skis are bloody loud and annoying.
You're bloody loud and annoying.
Yikes. We're finally leaving the beach, but what a spectacular day. Like this beach? This is like
Little slice of heaven.
a little slice of heaven, and exactly what I think we were expecting from WA beaches. Just crystal clear water, warm weather, just beautiful. But we escaped probably a 40-degree day in Perth, and we were absolutely fine, weren't we?
Yes.
Were you gonna say something?
How do we get out of here?
We're heading back to Leo. It's not the easiest path to get back to the car, but with a little persistence, you can get there.
Also scared of snakes.
Yeah, haven't seen any, but it's prime snake territory here. Warm weather, long grass, some leaf litter. Definitely got to keep our eyes peeled for snakes. And this is why we got a shower in the van, so that after we go for a surf or a swim at the beach, we can just jump in. Obviously we also use beach showers, but it's such a luxury to have. When you're on the road, you can just walk home, jump in the shower, and you're all clean, ready to go. Ain't that right?
That's right.
I could spend eternity reveling in the grave. I think about Calypso. I think about Calypso. I think about Calypso. Do 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 do. I think about Calypso.
What a spectacular day. This is unreal. Just gone in the water and there's a ton of little fish swimming around. Oh well, see how we go. See what we can find. And this is where my crazy snorkeling encounter started. First I found this lure and some hooks. I try find this stuff when I get out in the ocean, and I'm thinking of starting a collection. Now this is the first sighting of the octopus in its little rocky cave. I've looked it up and I believe it's a gloomy octopus, which is common in Eastern Australia and New Zealand. At this point, I had no idea what was about to unfold with this curious creature. At first, he curiously puts his tentacles out, reaching for me. I didn't know at this point if he was aggressive, and octopus do tend to have a barb, so at this stage I tried to give him space and resurface for a breath. As I went down again, he fully came out on the sand and then swam up to me, grabbing my GoPro. I had a wrist strap on, so he had a good grip and was trying to take my GoPro off me and swim back down. Eventually, he retreats to a different part of the rocks. I've slowed this footage down to show how quickly he changes colour to camouflage into his new surroundings. I find these creatures so amazing how quickly they can camouflage and become difficult to see. At this point, I had to go and get Megan to show her the octopus. Even though she saw it first, she didn't see this amazing encounter that I had. I wasn't sure whether it was going to come out again, but thankfully it did. And you can hear Megan giggling when she comes back again to try and steal my GoPro. He again swims away from the rocks and tries to swim the GoPro back down to his nest. But eventually he gives up, and as they are quite intelligent creatures, I've been wondering if he was playing or if he thought that I was trying to feed him. What an amazing experience. But at that point I thought I'd leave him alone. But wow, I was so blown away with such a crazy experience. I'm so thankful to have this happen to me and to be able to capture it on film. Now that was an amazing experience. Seeing that octopus and him grabbing the GoPro and my flipper, absolutely awesome. So happy.
I think I know Calypso. I think I know Calypso. I think I know Calypso. Do 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 do. I think I know Calypso. I think I know Calypso. I think I know Calypso.
How's that? Feeling better?
Did you tell him that I have a hangover?
No.
You didn't?
No.
I had a bad hangover.
Are you feeling better now?
Yeah, the ocean cured it. But now I'm starving because I couldn't eat this morning. We went to a cafe and just looking at all the pastries made me want to vomit. But now I'm hungry, so let's go.
Old mate's just driven his boat down into the water.
Oh,
now
look,
the wheels are going
the wheels
up.
are going up.
That's
the heck?
unreal.
Wow.
And now he's off.
Off he goes. See ya.
That was so easy.
Wow, that's boat goals.
Boat goals. Car boat goals. You know the birks aren't going to grow if you put water on them? What's on the menu today, babe?
Wraps.
Wraps!
Rappity-doo-dies.
With what?
Fluffables?
Nice.
Yeah. Back at eating healthy again. No more eating out.
No more eating out.
Maybe.
For a while. Last night we stayed with friends of ours, or we parked in the front of their house. They live at Dunsborough, so they're only really like 10 minutes from here. And you've got bush and beautiful beaches, crystal clear water, sand, right on your doorstep basically. And we hadn't really heard of Dunsborough. Like you hear of Margaret River, Albany, Denmark, Esperance, but no one really mentioned you got to stop in Dunsborough. But it's amazing, isn't it? Beautiful little place. What do you reckon, Megs?
Very underrated.
Very underrated. Just
spot to be.
Yeah, it's a bit of a, maybe it's a bit of a secret spot. Locals only. So what's it been like for you moving back into the van?
It feels really good. I feel like the last few days have just shown us why we decided to do van life. It's just been so incredible waking up and seeing the ocean and like going for a swim and having breakfast by the water, and now
freedom.
we're in a vineyard. It's, yeah.
You can do what you want when you want.
Yeah.
But it has been really nice just to be us two again on the road without really much of a plan, just taking it day by day and seeing how things go.